but start to bring your knees in towards the chest and start to roll side to side and just release any tension into the lower back. Take a few moments to breathe, hold, or rock side to side and relax. And start to hug your right knee in towards the chest and extend your left leg out and along the floor. And we're just going to circle through the ankle for a few repetitions, alternating each way just to release any clicks or cracks into the ankle, create some extra space and mobility. And then start to relax the ankle as you move the knee out towards the shoulder, slightly in towards the center line of your body. Just seeing where there's any, again, extra space. You can move into that mobility and release through the hip and the lower back. And then come back through center, take hold behind the leg and extend the leg up towards the ceiling. You can start to flex and point the foot. And the knee doesn't have to be extended to a straight position, you can have a slight bend into your knee. And then let's switch sides and we'll do everything to the other side. So bringing your left knee in, extending your right leg out and along the floor. And again, we'll start with those ankle circles, alternating each way. And then when you're ready, start to move the knee out and in, and seeing where you can feel and breathe in just some extra space into the hip, into the lower back. And then bringing those hands behind the thighs and just extending to where you can, pointing and flexing and creating some movement. And then again, let's hug your knees in towards the chest. Take the knees out towards your shoulders and reach between the knees for the shins, the ankles, or your feet. And if you can reach your feet, just take the thumbs to the balls of the feet and create a small massage into your feet, wherever it feels good. And then let's place your feet flat onto the floor, knees up towards the ceiling, and take your arms just a little bit wider out by your sides. And then we'll go side to side, just releasing and relaxing through the lower back. And allow the weight of the legs just to do the work.